Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will present few lines on Sarojini Naidu, but first please subscribe my channel Mom Kids Magic and like my video. Let's start. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poetess. She is famously known as Nightingale of India because of the beautiful poems that she wrote. Her birthday is celebrated as National Women's Day. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad. His father's name was Aghornath and mother's name was Varat Sundari Devi. Sarojini Naidu was a promising student since childhood. She started writing poems during school education. Her poems were very much liked and sung as songs. Sarojini Naidu participated in many satyagraha of Gandhiji and also went to jail in Quit India movement. She started the women's liberation and women's education movement and became a member of the Akhil Bharatiya Mahila Parishad. She was the first female governor of a state in independent India. Sarojini Naidu is a role model for all Indian women. She will always be remembered in the history of India.